The first thing to understand about the ConvertPages builder is how to find your way around. The first things you will see when you go to create your pages are the three menus at the top, on the left, and on the right of the canvas. Let's understand how each of these menus helps you navigate the builder and what functions they contain for your easy access. First is the top bar menu. From here, you have the options to navigate outside of the builder back into either the funnel constructor by clicking the funnel icon to the far left, or to the funnel settings area by clicking the gear icon to the far right. Make sure you save before you use either of these buttons to navigate outside the builder, otherwise your work may be lost. From the top bar menu, you also have the ability to save your step, preview your step in a new tab, add a new step to your funnel, and explore templates with the buttons on the right of the menu. Once you have your steps created, you can use the step management area of the top bar to control your steps. To reorder your steps, simply click and drag any steps you'd like to reorder. To duplicate, rename, or delete a step, select the arrow drop-down on the left of the step and choose your desired option. The next menu to understand is the right bar menu. Here is where you have a number of functions that will give you more control over what and how you build inside of ConvertPages. The first option opens by clicking the plus button, where you will have the ability to add new sections, section templates, and new elements to your pages. Simply click on any of the desired options and ConvertPages will add it to your page or take you to our template selector to add a new section from our wide range of available options, which you can easily navigate through the categories on the left side of the selector. Once you have made your choice, simply click and it will be added to your page. Next on the menu is the Builder's Content Grid. This grid gives guidelines for page designers to accommodate for multiple screen resolutions in designing their pages. It's recommended to keep most text and images for standard web content within these guides for best functioning pages. Exceptions to this would be images and text that you would want to extend to the edge of the screen or to appear wider than a typical content section. The next options on the right bar menu allow you to open the side panel and undo and redo actions taken in the builder. There are also keyboard shortcuts for these commands, which are as follows for PC and Mac. To undo, press Ctrl+Z on PC and Command+Z on Mac. To redo, press Ctrl+Y on PC or Command+Shift+Z on Mac. To zoom into the building canvas, click on the three-dot menu and adjust the zoom slider to your desired size. An advanced tip here is, when you disable the side panel and maximize the canvas's zoom, you will see an accurate output of how your live pages will look in the size browser window you have ConvertPages open in. By clicking the gear icon, you will see the Preferences menu with several options. You can select whether you would like to view the advanced or simple code editor for when you'd like to edit the raw code of the page by clicking the code button in the side panel menu. You can also choose if when you paste into a text block, how your selection is formatted, whether it maintains the formatting of your source document or paste the raw text into the text element you've selected. Next, you can choose the display labeling settings for each section, whether ConvertPages only labels flex sections, which are gridded sections we'll cover in our in-depth sections video under Builder Basics, your active sections, all sections, or no labeling. Next, you have the option to customize how your workspace looks from the different options of different grays to the same as your page, which in this case is white. The side panel is where the majority of the customizations for the sections, blocks, and elements of your pages will take place. Let's break down how to use it, starting from the top down. The side panel will dynamically change based off of what you are editing inside of the builder, and it follows the hierarchical structure of the way each piece is created inside of ConvertPages. When an element is placed onto the canvas, you can see the side panel dynamically shift to allow you to edit on any of the three levels of structure: section, block, and element. From the side panel, you also have many options including viewing your page's raw code, navigating your page by layer, choosing the responsive display of your page, and global typography styles. In addition to these options, you also have the ability to completely customize your sections, blocks, and elements through the many different design options available as you begin building. We will cover all of these options and how to best use them in our Builder Basics series of videos. Welcome to the ConvertPages Builder. This is the place where you will design and create your pages, funnels, and campaigns, utilize templates, and connect your integrations and products to make it all come together to be successful for your business. In this series of videos, you will see in-depth tutorials on how to navigate the builder, understand the basics of building inside of ConvertPages, how our integrated funnel technology works, and more. Before you dive into building your funnel, you can choose any of the menu items to the left to learn more about a specific area of the ConvertPages Builder. Because the ConvertPages Builder is free form, building most pages is as simple as dragging and dropping elements where you'd like them on your pages. But to help you quickly and efficiently build your pages to the highest quality, regardless of where your prospects interact with your funnel, we've put together this short series of videos to show you the best practices when building inside of ConvertPages. Build confidently and quickly for every screen and for every type of campaign you run by investing into learning how to best use the builder from the very beginning. Watch our first video about how to navigate the builder by selecting Watch Now on the menu to the left of this video.